In this video, I'm going to share with you how do I make over $12,000 thanks to this passive automation so you can copy me. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and thanks to my online business, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. And that's the main reason why I'm actually creating this type of content so other people can do the same. Maybe you're looking for a side hustle, or maybe you are looking to replace your full-time job. The truth is that at the beginning, I was not looking to replace any of my full-time jobs. I know that sounds crazy, but I was looking just to earn a couple of maybe $300 per month extra. That will help me at that time because I was not even living paycheck to paycheck. I was barely surviving because I suffered a huge scam. And after that, although a lot of people focus on the money, I can tell you that you can recover it. My mindset was affected. And if you know that if you have issues with the bank, they don't care who spent the money. It is actually under your name. You are the one who is actually responsible. So that happened to me. And that's the reason why I had two full-time jobs at the time. So as you can imagine, by having two full-time jobs, I didn't have a lot of time and I didn't have a lot of money. So I tried what a lot of people did. Maybe you already follow that path, which is try different online side hustles to earn a couple of extra dollars online. So here are the steps that I actually follow before. I'm still following until this very day. So they actually work, guys. They actually work, but you have to have a commitment for yourself. You have to have a commitment for your success. But I can tell you that this is something that works. And if you earn your very first dollar online, you can earn 100. If you earn 100, you can earn 1,000. If you earn 1,000, you can earn 10,000. And after that, literally the sky's the limit. So this is how I actually made $12,107 using this passive automation. So you can copy me in here, as you can see here in screenshot of one of my payment processors. Okay, so let me reveal these steps. Okay, let me share with you these steps. Okay, first of all, I didn't create a product or service. I actually tried to do that, but we need to start first of all with a niche. Okay, Diana, what is actually a niche? It's literally just a group of people who have something in common. The most profitable online niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Diana, does that mean that I cannot promote anything else? I just need to go all in with those three niches? Okay, I'm not saying that. Literally on the internet, you can promote anything you want. Okay, you can promote anything you want. You can follow your passion, your niche, and all the stuff. But I'm here and I'm actually sharing with you the information that I have, and I think it's actually fair for you to have that knowledge. So health went on relationships. Why is that? Because the painful the more painful the problem is, the more you are going to be willing to pay for the solution. So let me put this in perspective. I don't know if you guys suffer from migraine. I actually do. So sometimes when I have that, I can tell you that that's really painful, and I'm willing to pay whatever it takes to get it away. Because there was a time that my migraines were so serious that I spent weeks on bed because I couldn't do anything else. So I think you already understand, right? If you're suffering because you had a breakup, you are looking to see what you can do so you can, you know, walk through that. So that's the reason why I'm telling you this. But if you are like into video games, go ahead and promote the video games. If you are like, you are like all green, go ahead and go that route as well. So I do have even a friend that he promotes mattresses online. I do have a friend who promotes these these video cameras online, the one that you can do put on and start checking on your fans and all the stuff. So it depends on you. Now, you need to choose a product. We are not gonna create a product. We're gonna be partnering with a program or with a company that is actually going to be the one who is going to be helping us. Okay, so where you can find the product that you can promote, well, more than 80% of the companies who do have these sort of programs, you can find most of them on marketplaces such as ClickBank. Here in ClickBank, you're going to join and you're going to be here where it says an affiliate. You can go with Impact on impact.com. You can find really popular brands as the one that you are actually seeing here. Okay, so you can actually be an affiliate with Impact. So, or you can go, for example, to Commission Junction. Here on Commission Junction, you are going to be what they call a publisher. But at the end of the day, it's also a, another marketplace in which you can be an affiliate. Okay, here you're going to be a publisher or creator. So, Diana, there are other marketplaces. There are other ways in which I can find a program, a product that I can promote. Yes, because this can be a physical or digital product. For example, Amazon, they do have their own affiliate program. Uh, Adidas do have it. Nike do have it. Under Armour do have it. Literally, you can put the name of your brand plus affiliate program, and you're going to notice that they do have an affiliate program. Popular brands are usually on Impact, so I suggest you, is that the route that you want to go with impact.com, but also you can find like more marketplaces, literally Google affiliate marketplaces, or you're going to find a ton. It can be a digital product, it can be a physical product. In my case right now, I'm doing both, but I can tell you, and I have to be honest with you guys, that the most profitable ones are the digital products, because with physical products, they are manufactured costs. They are shipping involved. So I want you guys to take that into consideration, okay? So, with that said, now that you have your main product, what else do you need? You need traffic. Okay, we are gonna need traffic. Literally, Diana, what is traffic? It's literally eyeballs, people who are actively looking for the product that we're gonna promote. So where they are, literally, people can be on TikTok, Instagram, okay, they can be watching a short form content on YouTube or long form content on YouTube. They can be on Pinterest. They can be on reading a blog. Okay. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Literally, you can create short form content, 5 to 7 second videos. You don't need to be on camera. You don't even need to talk if you don't want to. And this is literally traffic. It can be paid. It can be free traffic. You can be writing articles. Is that your thing? Or you can be creating image and videos and putting on Pinterest or blogging. So that's what we call traffic. And that's the reason why it's actually super important to be specific with our niche, because the more specific the content that you are creating, the more targeted the traffic is going to be. It's not the same to be watched by 100,000 people and tell them just a funny joke than be shown by or be seen by 1,000 people who are super targeted, who have the pain that we mentioned before, and they are like, you know what, that's me, this is my problem, I'm looking for the solution, I raise my hand, I want to take that. Okay, so take that into consideration. Now, what else do we need? We need to create a freebie. Okay, this is something super important, and sometimes, okay, with the marketplaces, they're going to give you something for free that you can give. So literally what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be creating a simple page in which you're going to be capturing their name and email address, okay, and you're going to be giving something away for free. Nowadays, with thanks to AI, you can literally create your freebie in seconds. You don't need to have any kind of tech skills. You don't need to have any kind of super knowledge, but you need to know what you're talking about. Okay, because literally you can put like, hey, this is the main product that I want to promote. This is my core product, and this is my audience. Okay, or this is my niche. Okay, I'm looking to create a freebie for them, and the freebie is going to tell you like, okay, it's going to be a chick chick, it's going to be a checklist, it's going to be a small ebook, it's going to be a video, okay, and you're going to be giving that away for free. After that, they are going to go to the product page. Okay, they're going to go to the product page. The cool thing about this, okay, the cool thing about this is that you nowadays you can open it and you can actually have this for free. Um, there is going to be a link below to the tool that I use. It's called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing tool. It's 100% free. You can open a free account. Yeah, you hear right, a free account. It's not a free trial. Okay. and you can actually start using it. I'm going to be leaving you a link below so you can actually do that. Okay. So what else do you need? Okay, you already have the niche, you already choose a product that you're going to be promoting. Then can I promote more than one product? Yes, you do. And I'm going to tell you how you can actually do that in a moment. You know about traffic, you already have the freebie. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and keep the notification bell. So we need to build an email list. Okay, thanks to this, we are going to be capturing their name and email address, and we are going to be sending them more information. And this is something that happens automatically. Okay, this is something that happens automatically because you actually configure an automate email sequence. How big it can be my email sequence? Well, whenever you're getting started, everything starts with just one email, but you're going to have months or even years of emails that people are going to get, okay, with these automated email sequence. And the cool thing about this email sequence is that you can promote as many products as you want. Okay, so that means that you can promote other products here, more products here. Okay, and this is actually key. This is actually how I was able to earn money while I having two full-time jobs. This is the famous passive income because you set up this once and it's going to be working for you 24/7. Okay, literally, as I mentioned before, you are going to set it up just once and it's going to be working for you 24/7. Your only job after that is to create more traffic, which you don't have to create. Literally, you just need to be putting content out there. Remember, it can be written content, it can be small videos, it can be long form videos, it can be images, depending on the platform that you choose. And you can start with one and then you can start building the other ones. For example, if you go with TikTok, that same video, you can post it on Instagram, you can put it on YouTube. Here, I even forget to mention Facebook because you can also put it on Facebook Reels. Okay. So you can maximize and the video, the reach of the video that you're actually doing. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.